In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Add-Ons in Google Sheets. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open your sheet, find the marketplace, and install an add-on safely and confidently. Start by heading to Google in your browser. At the top right, look for the small grid of 9 dots, sometimes called the Google Apps Launcher. Click it to open Google's app menu, then choose Sheets. If you don't see it immediately, scroll within that panel. It's usually near other Google Workspace apps. Once Sheets opens, select the spreadsheet you want to work in. It's best to open the actual document where you plan to use the add-on so everything is ready to go. After your spreadsheet loads, look up at the top menu bar and click Extensions. This is the central place where Google Sheets connects with extra tools. Hover your mouse over Add-ons in that Extensions menu. A side menu will appear. Click Get Add-ons to open the Google Workspace Marketplace. This is the official catalog of trusted tools that plug directly into Sheets, so it's the best place to browse safely. Now, choose the add-on you want to install. You can scroll the featured list or use the search bar if you have something specific in mind. Take a moment to read the description, check ratings and reviews, and make sure it's published by a reputable developer. When you've found the one you want, click it to open its Details page. On the Details page, click Install. A prompt will appear asking you to continue. Click Continue to proceed. You'll be asked to confirm which Google account you want to use and to review the permissions the add-on needs. This is normal. Add-ons require certain access to work with your spreadsheet. Read the permission list carefully, and only proceed if you're comfortable with what it requests. When you're ready, allow access and click Continue. The installation will run for a few moments, and then you'll see confirmation that it's been added. That's all there is to it. You've successfully installed an add-on in Google Sheets. From now on, you'll find your installed tools under the Extensions menu within Add-ons, ready whenever you need them. If you're using a school or work account, note that your organization's admin may need to approve certain add-ons before you can use them. And if an add-on doesn't behave as expected, revisit its marketplace page to review its documentation and support options. Thanks for following along. With these steps, you can enhance your spreadsheets quickly and safely using the Google Workspace Marketplace.